By the end of this video, you will know how to add a payment method in QuickBooks. Start from QuickBooks Online with the company file you want to update already open. If you work with more than one company, make sure you are in the correct one before you continue, since the payment method will be added to the file that is currently active. From the main QuickBooks screen, move to the upper right corner and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the menu with the tools and list options for your company. Once the menu appears, look for All Lists and select it. That takes you to the Lists page, where QuickBooks groups together items that support your transactions and records. On the Lists page, find Payment Methods and open it. You will now be looking at the list of payment methods that are already available in this company. This is where you can review existing entries and add a new one when your business needs another payment type for sales or customer payments. To create a new payment method, click New. QuickBooks opens a form where you can enter the details for the payment method you want to add. In the Name field, type the payment method name you want to use. This could be cash, check, bank transfer, or another payment type that matches the way your business accepts payment. Use a clear name that will be easy to recognize later when you are selecting payment methods in transactions. If QuickBooks shows any additional options for the payment method, review them and choose the setting that matches the payment type you are creating. The available choices can vary, so use the option that best fits the method you are adding. If no extra options appear, you can continue with the information already entered. Before saving, take a moment to review the details on the form. Check the spelling in the Name field and confirm that the payment method shown is the one you intended to create. This helps prevent duplicate entries or names that may be confusing later in your records. When everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will add the new payment method to your company list. After saving, return your attention to the Payment Methods list and confirm that the new entry now appears there. Seeing it listed is the final check that the payment method was created successfully and is available for use in your QuickBooks company. Thanks for watching. The new payment method is now added to your QuickBooks Payment Methods list.